Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, good evening and welcome back in. Finally, some rain rolled across parts of the bluegrass today, and that continues our forecast with the daily storm chance for you as this unsettled pattern continues to bring us below average temperatures, muggy dew points, and eventually breaks down later this week, but still keeps a couple of those lingering storm chances around as we get towards the weekend. Now, our street counter for days in a row with rainfall in Lexington is now at 1. It's a good thing to have. Today's total about 1.17 inches. That's the running total so far for this week, and we're expecting to try to add to that total a bit more as we go into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and beyond. Now, some spots went very, very heavy on the rainfall over the last 24 hours, like Richmond and Boonville, almost 2 inches of rain. Other spots over a half of an inch to an inch. It was hit or miss in other areas, like here in Lexington. Some spots barely getting up to 2/10 of an inch, but we're going to try to add more to that as we go into the overnight tonight. We've got some storms that are over in western Kentucky right now near Louisville, and then further down south towards Bowling Green. A couple more in southern Kentucky south of our parkways there as some storms try to ride up outside of northern Tennessee and into southern Kentucky. The opportunity for storms is looking a little iffy for most of us tonight, but we do pick it up again tomorrow. We've got a stationary front that's not moving very much. That will continue to bring some unsettled weather to us, and we're going to have that give us the chance the next 3 days at a pretty good pace. 40 to 50 percentile there for us Tuesday through Thursday into the weekend. Pretty spotty, not expecting a ton of activity then. So we're going to try to get all the rain we need over the course of the next couple of days. Hit or miss, though, as we get into the overnight tonight. It's doing a pretty good job, Futurecast, of what's going on right now. Has a lot of this fizzle out by 10 o'clock tonight, and then we're in a dry period until early parts of tomorrow afternoon when we start to see some isolated to scattered activity begin once again. Picks up in nature as we get into late Tuesday. Again, scattered, not widespread, so there will be gaps. Not everybody will get heavy rainfall. Areas that do could add some good totals in there, and we get a little bit more scattered into Wednesday morning to the east of us here in Lexington. So southern Kentucky, you're in for a better chance at more rainfall, and we keep that going again into Wednesday. Wednesday morning, a dry period, kind of a rinse and repeat into Wednesday afternoon with scattered activity, again, mainly south and east, and we'll have to continue to watch how that develops into our Thursday as well. But the rainfall potential over the next 5 days, widespread, not looking great. We're looking at maybe another 1/10 to a half of an inch for most. Higher totals exceeding an inch possible in far southeastern Kentucky. Any thunderstorm that comes in could exceed these values pretty quickly, but it is going to be an isolated instance for that opportunity. Muggy meter stays in the muggy category, even tiptoes into oppressive a few times as we go into the next several days. But Thursday into Friday, a little cold front comes in and starts to knock those dew points into the stuffy category to make things better for us into the weekend. Tonight, down to 67. Partly cloudy with some patchy fog and some isolated storms. Tomorrow, 84. Scattered storms and muggy once again. Winds stay pretty light outside of those thunderstorm chances, and all this cloud cover and rain chances does keep our temperatures in those mid-80s through the weekend. And then when we get into the weekend, it's a climb back to the 90s.